Hi guys, this is a YouTube channel, Modern and Divine Homes. Today we will talk about a very special product about the that is a product that will make your bathing problems more easier, because whenever we are taking bath or we are just showering with the help of shower gel or with the help of body shampoo, we may often use loofah. That is not sometimes comfortable for the people who want to apply the loofah at the back or at the neck. So they may not apply, because they may not put pressure, more pressure at the back of their hands due to strain, because they have migraine problem, or because they have back problems. So this is a type of belt which is of silica gel. So it has bristles like this. You can apply this at the neck or at your back. This is quite long, and it is easy to apply it to serve the purpose of a loofah. In place of loofah you can use this belt, and it has two types of bristles. One on one side it has the bristles like these, that is shaped in a circular motion, and the second type it has the bristles like this. So you can use any of the side in which you feel comfortable. So this is a type of look it has. That is a type of belt. You can avail it online, or you can have it from a sophisticated a cosmetic shop. So this is the pictures that are there. You can apply this belt at the back like this. Silicone bath, artifact rub back, doesn't ask for the people. So the old age people often ask for to rub at their back to their daughter-in-laws, or to their granddaughters, or grandsons, to apply loofah at their back. So they may do this activity themselves by having such a type of belt, and they can apply shampoo or body shampoo at their back themselves. So it will approximately make your bathing problems more easier, and you can apply it on the neck. And some people have black neck, or very dark patches on their neck, though they have other body parts as so white. So because sometimes we often forget to apply loofah on these areas, so these areas look quite dark, and dark patches often develop on that area. So this also helps to remove dark patches on that areas. And this is also used to massage your effective exfoliate. It also allow you to exfoliate your skin, leaves your skin soft and shiny. And this also helps to massage your foot. This is though made in China, but this product is versatile and can be used by all the members of the family. So this is the product name that is written on it is these are the product parameters on which it is built. So the product name is silica gel bath brush, and the size is 62 inches 11 centimeter, 72 inches 12 centimeter. This can be available in these two types of lengths, and we have the length of like 72 inches and 12 centimeter. So so the product size is available in 62 centimeter and 72 centimeter in size. You can avail in both the sizes, that is 62 centimeter or 72 centimeter. And we have the length of our loofah is that is 72 centimeter. So you can avail it online, and you can and this is also a budget product moreover. And there is also written, when you open this gadget, there is a surprise. So it is a surprise for all the people who can't rub at their back, though they wash their other body parts thoroughly, but they forget to wash their back. Thank you. Like and subscribe.